Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Glasgow. Please remain seated with seatbelt fastened to the sign being switched off. In the aircraft, can to complete stop. All the devices to intermessaging calls can now be used. Please remember to deal with your personal belongings, check in the seat pocket underneath the seat front to door lockers. Be careful to open the locker just in case the contents moves to the fly might fall out. Smoking is not permitted till you reach designated smoking.